Hey guys, welcome to our channel Art and Craft Master, and you're watching Mother's Day special videos. So for today's Mother's Day special video, we're gonna be making a pop-up card. So the required items are a sheet, a color sheet, it can be any color of your choice, and A4 sheets. You can also use colored sheet, it's your wish. So the first step is to take the A4 sheet or any color sheet and mark 1 centimeter away from the actual main cardboard sheet. So this is gonna be where we're gonna make the pop-up, and this is gonna be the background sheet which we're gonna use to give support to our structure. So now I'll cut this and get back to you guys. So guys, as you can see here, I've cut the sheet. So the reason behind this is to give the sheet a borderish look. So now we're gonna be making the pop-up, so you can keep the background sheet aside and fold the main sheet into half like this. So you can think of a design of a pop-up which you're gonna make. So here I'm gonna make and show you guys design. So it's just lines to describe. So within this range, I'm gonna stick a sheet with the text Happy Mother's Day, and around here I'm gonna be making a heart symbol with the background with more hearts. So I'll just draw a rough drawing and cut it. So I'll show you guys this, and I'll do this and get back to you guys. So all you gotta do is first cut it and then fold it, and then fold it like this, and then unfold it, and then take it out, push it from the back, and then while it's like this, just fold it like that. So you should get something like this, and when you pull it open, it will be like this. So I'll do the same for this and get back to you guys. So as you guys can see here, I've done the same for the other one. So now let's see how to make a text. So guys, I've drawn the border here, and then I'll be putting a paper so that the thing can be balanced. So I'll cut it and see you guys back. Now we have made the text, so we'll get to the next step. We won't be needing the text now. We can keep the pop-up sheet aside and take the colored sheet and fold it into half like this. And then unfold it and then take the main sheet. So we're gonna stick this on the sheet. So take your glue and paste the glue at the borders, and make sure to paste also the glue at the edges of this part like so, and align this part to the line which we just made on this paper, and then paste it so it should look something like this. So now we can stick the other part. As you can see, we've stuck the other part, and make sure that these parts don't get stuck with the glue, and just fold it like this. So it should look something like this. Now we can take the text and stick the text. So I'm gonna align it crosswards. You can do it any side as you wish. So as you can see, it's stuck. So now we'll be making the heart. So over here I'm using a red colored sheet. You can use white color sheet and then cut it, and then you can color it to the color you want. So let me draw the heart shape. So guys, as you can see here, I've done drawing my heart shape, so I'm gonna cut it. So see you back once I'm done. So guys, now I've cut the heart shape. Now I'm gonna stick it on the pop-up card. So put some glue, and so I'm turning it a bit to align it with the text. Then pressing it. So now the pop-up card looks like this. So guys, now I'll decorate this card and show it to you. So guys, once finished, the card looks like this. So I've added this and a sentence here. More sentences like this will be in the description down below. From behalf of Art and Craft Master and team, we wish your mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.